Are you making these common carnivore diet mistakes that could be sabotaging your progress? Stick around because, in today's video, we're diving into the top mistakes people make on the carnivore diet and how you can avoid them. These insights are inspired by the eye-opening Reversed Carnivore Docuseries and expert advice from leading voices in the community. Let's jump right in. One of the biggest mistakes we see, especially among beginners, is over-relying on processed meats like sausages, bacon, and deli cuts. While these foods are convenient, they often contain additives, preservatives, and lower nutrient density, which can hinder your progress. In the Reversed Carnivore Docuseries, several participants found themselves stuck, not seeing the health benefits they hoped for. This was largely because they leaned too much on processed meats. The solution? Focus on whole cuts of meat. Think steaks, roasts, and organ meats. These options are packed with nutrients and are less likely to contain harmful additives. Not only will this help you feel better, but it will also fuel your body with the right kind of energy. Next up, one of the most overlooked aspects of the carnivore diet, electrolytes. Many people don't realize that ignoring electrolytes can lead to fatigue, headaches, and what's often mistaken as the keto flu. In the docuseries, several participants mentioned feeling drained and unwell. This often came down to an imbalance in key electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium. To combat this, make sure you're getting enough salt, drink bone broth, and consider supplementing with electrolytes if needed. Maintaining a proper balance can make all the difference in how you feel and perform. Another common pitfall is not eating enough fat. There's a misconception that lean meats are the best choice, but in reality, eating too little fat can leave you feeling hungry and tired. The Reversed Carnivore Docuseries highlighted how increasing fat intake transformed the experience for many participants, giving them more energy and helping them feel fuller for longer. Make sure to include fattier cuts of meat, use butter liberally, and don't shy away from animal fats. Remember, on the carnivore diet, fat is your primary energy source. Jumping straight into the carnivore diet without a transition period can shock your system, making it harder to stick with it. Going from a standard diet to all meat overnight is a big leap. In the docuseries, several individuals struggled early on because they didn't allow their bodies time to adjust. This often led to cravings, low energy, and a feeling of overwhelm. To avoid this, try a gradual reduction in carbs and plant foods before fully committing to carnivore. Easing into it will help your body adapt more smoothly and increase your chances of success. The final mistake is the lack of meal planning and variety. Eating the same meals day in and day out can lead to boredom, nutrient gaps, and ultimately, quitting the diet. The Reversed Carnivore Docuseries highlighted how some participants lost motivation simply because their meals became too monotonous. To keep things interesting, plan your meals ahead and experiment with different cuts of meat, offal, and various cooking methods. From grilled steaks to slow-cooked roasts, the possibilities are endless. And there you have it, the top carnivore diet mistakes and how you can avoid them. If you're struggling with the diet or just starting, these tips will help you stay on track and get the most out of your journey. Drop a comment below with your biggest challenges on the carnivore diet and how you're overcoming them. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and success stories. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.